Okay, so this is for number 4B on the practice test. You're going to do this in your calculator. I'm going to open a graph. And you have the equation from A that theta equals inverse tangent. So I'm going to type that in. Inverse tangent of 34 over x. So 34 over x minus, minus inverse tangent of 6 over x. All right, so we're going to graph that. And you can see that we're looking for the maximum, what we want our x to be, our distance to the x, so that we have the maximum viewing angle. So we're looking for when we have a maximum somewhere over here. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so that I can see where I think my maximum. I'm going to kind of come over here and zoom it from here. And that's probably good. So if you look at it, you can see it kind of peaks somewhere up here and then probably goes back down. So I'm going to do the function for that. So I'm going to analyze graph and look for the maximum. So somewhere over here, and then notice as I keep going farther, I'm not getting any higher on my numbers. Until I get there, it's changing, but now, so that's where my maximum is going to be. All right, so we have our maximum at 14.3, 7.75. So that means our x value is 14.3 and our theta value is 7.75. And the only thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to change so that I have more decimal points. There, so 14.28 is the x value. So approximately 14.28, I don't remember what this is in feet, I guess, is the best distance away from the TV for maximum viewing angle.